It was a Sunday afternoon. My friend forgot to cook, guests showed up, and we were all set in panic. Until Swiggy saved the day. The order just arrived in 30 minutes, the table was full, smile was back, and the crisis turned into feast. Hi everyone, we are Angelina and Parijat, and today we are diving into the case of Swiggy, India's favorite food delivery platform. Swiggy started in 2014 in Bangalore with only 6 delivery boys and 25 restaurants. But now it's over 700 cities, 3 lakh plus restaurants and 3 lakh 50,000 plus delivery boys. Isn't that amazing?
From small beginning to big business, Swiggy's journey is full of challenges, bold moves, and bold ideas. Swiggy raised money in different rounds called Series A, Series B, Series C, and so on. Each round helped it grow bigger.
In June 2015, Swiggy achieved a Series B round of $16.5 million, which is more than 130 crore rupees. That was an achievement for Swiggy. Then in 2018, Series H round was faced by Swiggy, achieving the milestone of $1 billion, which is approximately 8,200 plus crore rupees. This business of Swiggy expanding from 2015 to 2018 has been the biggest attainment of the history of e-commerce platform in such a short period of time. Since 2014, when the Swiggy business started, it has shown us a remarkable journey we could look forward to. In 2020, it was during COVID when people started using more and more of Swiggy services. This led to launch of Swiggy Instamart and Swiggy Genie. Then in 2021, an innovative initiative was taken. Launch of membership program known as Swiggy One. Swiggy One is a subscription program that offers unlimited free deliveries, exclusive discounts, and convenience across the food, grocery, and other courier services. This led to more and more sales and more profits in the Swiggy's pocket. In 2022, launch on Swiggy Minis and integration of Swiggy Dine Out was taken out. Then next in 2023, it was the first time that Swiggy's first co-branded card was launched. And in 2024, finally there was an achievement in milestone that the transactions of the Swiggy app reached over 110 million. Now let us talk about and take a quick overview of Swiggy. Swiggy's revenues have soared and rise year over year, driven by its core food delivery business and newer verticals like Instamart and Genie. Now let us talk about the profit. Swiggy's profit margin from fiscal year 2022 to fiscal year 2025 did not show a positive growth. As we can see, the growth has been moved from 125% to approximately 50%. Let us take a quick market analysis of Swiggy. As we can see here, the consumer confidence rose with the delivery demand and app upgrades but declined due to the rising costs, fewer discounts, and market saturation. Similarly, every quarter shows a negative profit indicating ongoing financial strain.
But by 2024-25, prices went up and discounts went down, so people started ordering less. In March 2025, Swiggy lost Rs 282 crore. That's a big number.
Swiggy's biggest rival is Zomato, which is now known as Eternal Entity since it started Blinkit. Others like FSN e-commerce are also doing well as competitors. Swiggy shows a negative ROCE percentage as shown in this graph, indicating a poor capital efficiency, while FSN e-commerce leads with a healthy 9.59% ROCE. Eternal Ltd lags behind, suggesting limited returns on its capital employed. FSN e-commerce stands out with the strongest GPM as shown here, while Swiggy continues to struggle with profitability due to its cost-heavy business model. Why are the sales dropping for Swiggy? What is the reason behind it? So the main reason behind it is that the quick commerce is growing fast. Growing fast of quick commerce is leading to slay behind the sales of Swiggy, and the apps like Blinkit are giving better deals to the customers or consumers, which make them more reliable and scalable. The second reason could be the rising competition between e-commerce platforms. For example, since Zomato's Blinkit has been launched, the share of Swiggy have been overlapped behind the shares of Eternal Ltd. The third reason reflects the falling down of our IPO market. Stock fell for 41% in 2025, shaking the investor confidence gradually and making the sales down. This led to the degradation of the investors with respect to the shares. The fourth reason could be lower average order value and high delivery costs are hurting profitability. This leads to the weak economics of the company and making the company fall. Now let us understand how the Swiggy is earning through a cycle. Commission from restaurant. Swiggy charges restaurant a commission on each order placed through its platform. This typically ranges from 15% to 25% depending on the restaurant's popularity and exclusivity. Then the delivery charges form. Customers use a pay nominal delivery fee which varies based on the distance of the order value and demand. This helps offset logistic costs. So basically we could conclude that Swiggy acts as an aggregator. What is that aggregator? An aggregator is a person who connects the business with the customer. Swiggy acts as an aggregator by connecting multiple stakeholders, restaurants, delivery partners and customers on a single digital platform. As a company, we should focus on people's needs, not to run out of the profit. Therefore, the need is efficient delivery and low costs, plus advertisement to produce sales and profit. So, the first is expanding of FMCG offerings via Instamart. What is FMCG? FMCG is fast moving consumer goods like daily groceries, other goods like sanitary things and etc. So let us innovate Swiggy through these selling products and goods. We could be selling everyday items like chips, soap and cold drinks. Suppose a person has purchased 1000 rupees items from the Swiggy Instamart. Now he could get a discount on the Swiggy food delivery or the Swiggy Genie, not from the Instamart, from the other platforms. So these will attract the customer to that, and the next time he purchases, he would instantly get the discount. These offers make people feel rewarded and loyalty programs can lock in regular users. Nowadays, shopping websites are using some points and offers to make. So we could implement those too. Using points could make people engaging in the app and giving offers through those points would be attracting customers towards us. Isn't that amazing?
Think of it like Netflix for food. You pay once and keep it using because it feels like a good deal.
If Swiggy could be investing in cloud kitchens, would it have been better?
What are cloud kitchens? Cloud kitchens are the places which provide home-like food in low cost and it supports only delivery in a lunchbox.
Though cloud kitchen is spreading, but it does not have any official delivery services. Sometimes students like in PGs have to buy on their own. They go and they buy, which wastes their time. You got that right. We could partner with them. Certainly, it would help Swiggy in managing the cost as it is cost effective, and low cost would ultimately bring out a higher profit that is also helpful for students as they don't have to go and buy it again and again. In the developing village or towns, what is lacking is advertisement. The more the advertisement, the more will be the delivery and more will be the profit. But how to do that advertisement? Because they are not aware, sometimes they don't know what advertisement is, or sometimes they don't know what are delivery food services. So we could float pamphlets by step use of the Swiggy app, or some slogans to encourage them. For example, अब खाना घर बैठे मिलेगा, स्विगी ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने पसंदीदा ढाबे से खाना मंगवाएं, पहले ऑर्डर पर ₹50 की छूट, अभी आ जाएं और आजमाएं. Isn't that good? Isn't that impactful? So we could use these tricks to basically manipulate people to attract towards Swiggy.
Swiggy could go local using posters, pamphlets, and even street vendors.
In big and populated cities, we often see a lot of traffic, which leads in delaying in orders and consumer giving a bad feedback. Well, we have a great solution for this. Drone delivery system. After reaching a certain height of profit, we could introduce this delivery to your window system, which is time effective and supports less human intervention. So, let us dive into this.
These ideas can help Swiggy grow without burning cash.
Thanks for watching. Let's grow together with the ideas that deliver.